Energy efficiency, performance and reliability are the key features of MBO's palletized feeders. The optimized airflow unfolds the full potential of the feeder pump. Equipped with a vacuum reservoir, it adapts individually to the production. This reduces the energy consumption by 50% compared to conventional pumps. The well-arranged adjustment elements of the VacuJet and VacuJet RS feeder heads are mounted at a convenient operating height. Driven by a high-performance pneumatic cylinder, the feeder heads offer maximum durability. The height of the suction cups automatically adjusts to uneven piles. The VacuBelt and double VacuBelt sheet infeed systems are equipped with one additional valve per suction belt to increase the overall performance. Together with the feeder head, this ensures ideal sheet separation and maximum production stability.